At PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair, we believe we are among the best providers of HVAC system design Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania, because of our commitment to quality, precision, and customer satisfaction. Our team brings extensive expertise in heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, allowing us to design systems that deliver reliable cooling, efficient refrigeration, and balanced indoor comfort. Are you looking for a HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. What is Manual J, and why is it used in HVAC design? Manual J is a standardized calculation method used in HVAC system design Drexel Hill, PA to determine the precise heating and cooling needs of a home or building. At PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair, we rely on Manual J as a critical part of designing efficient HVAC systems because it evaluates key factors such as square footage, insulation levels, window placement, climate conditions, and occupancy. How does zoning work in HVAC system design? Zoning is an important feature in HVAC system design that allows us to divide a home or commercial space into separate areas, or zones, each with its own temperature control. At PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair, we design zoning systems within HVAC to improve comfort and energy efficiency by using multiple thermostats, dampers in the ductwork, and an advanced HVAC control system. What is your service area? Our PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair serve the following Pennsylvania locations: Springfield, Clifton Heights, Wyndom, Glenolden, Broomall, Angora, Sharon Hill, Elmwood Park, Holmes, Collingdale, Folcroft, Tinicum Township, Darby Township, Eastwick, Yeadon, Lansdowne, East Lansdowne, Millbourne, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 642 Harper Avenue, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania 19026, United States. Our phone number is 610-672-3046. Visit our website, https://pjmachvac.com/drexel-hill-ac-heating-repair-install/.